I just can't let you go.
Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the White Folks. We are once again back with our spring makeup series. Today we have a new palette. I previously reviewed the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette and told you if you love color, go and get your hands on it. If you're a little bit leery about color, then go and swatch it in stores and check it out and see if it's your thing. Because I'm not a color girl, but I had to have that palette. It is gorgeous for the spring, but I will show you a palette that if you are comfortable with color, but not ready to branch out, I got a new palette for you. This is the Charlotte Tilbury, the Icon Palette. More gorgeous packaging. Charlotte Tilbury does it like no other. I mean, of course, she's like the makeup goddess and does like all the supermodels. So she would have your makeup looking like you just stepped off of a Victoria's Secret runway. And this is the Charlotte Tilbury, the Icon Palette. I believe this is only on her website right now, but you can check your local Sephora and see if it's on Sephora.com or see if it's in your local store. Let's go ahead and get into the swatches for y'all. Here we go. Woo. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. She's another high-end makeup brand that it is worth every penny you're getting. I know some high-end makeup companies, you're kind of like, what am I paying for? But the quality of her products are always stellar, on point. And this palette right here, this is what I'm wearing on my eyes today. Let you get a little sneak peek. And the colors that I have on my eyes today are Prime. Nope, that's not accurate. Let's see. Don't list the actual colors. Yeah, it doesn't list the actual colors. It just gives you different. They have day eyes, date eyes, diva eyes, disco eyes. I didn't even go by this. I didn't even realize that was on there. I use as a base this color right here. This gold. I'm gonna swatch them for you guys. And then in the corner of my eye, I use this color right here. In my crease, I use this beautiful emerald green. And in my corner, outer corner, I use this beautiful royal, well, it's not really royal, but it's almost like a navy blue. Beautiful. And then I smudged out underneath my eyes with this blue as well. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch those for you. If you want a tutorial on this look, go ahead and comment down below and I will do that on this channel as well as on my Instagram. I will link it from my Instagram to the YouTube tutorial if that is something that you're interested in seeing. So we'll go ahead and swatch. Again, I don't know the names of these. Apparently they come in collections, so I'm just going to swatch them. We'll start with this beautiful gold right here.
Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to.
And my kids are always in the background watching TV, you know, so there's just no respect in this house when I'm filming. All the golds look pretty similar, but you know, that's okay. A neutral palette is a beautiful neutral palette is a neutral palette, right? Oh, you know, I'll put the color up for this. So that's the first beige color. This is that gold. Beautiful green.
But it's not like I need it. And we may have some history.
Gorgeous pink.
But we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces.
perfect everyday colors to work. And you know, that's what I always look for personally for me, because I get a lot more use out of a palette like this. On the legs.
I just need to clear my head.
And that beautiful blue color.
I just need to clear my head.
Ooh, that blue just pops. Oh my goodness. That blue is gorgeous. Again, I'm so sorry these don't have actual names, but it's worth it. Just go get it. And this last one, it's kind of, it's not black. It's not the blackest black I've seen. It's almost like a deep gray. You can never go wrong with a deep gray. So again, this is the Charlotte Tilbury Icon Palette. It is gorgeous. Okay, it is absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna stop blinding you. And again, charlottetilbury.com. Possibly Sephora.com, I'm not really sure, but go ahead and check it out if it is available at either one of those stores, because I believe this is limited edition, but it just came out. So go and grab your hands on it. It's a perfect spring palette. It's neutrals, you cannot go wrong. You can transition this into the fall, into the winter, into the summer. And again, I forgot to put on my microphone. I don't know. I keep forgetting to put that thing on. Such is life. So grab your hands on this palette. And again, if you want me to do a tutorial on this look, hit me down in the comments below and I will be more than happy to do that. I do hope that you are enjoying this spring makeup series. I'm actually enjoying it. It's allowing me to put all of my purchases in one area. So I know what I'm actually going to be filming, and it just makes it easier for me to know what my next purchase is going to be, because I'm a buyer. Like, I'll just go into the store and just buy from Sephora with no rhyme or no reason. It's really helping me to kind of narrow in on a focus instead of just going in for random things that I'm not actually going to use. So once again, go ahead and grab your hands. So yes, come back and join us and tune in next week. If you love these videos, hit like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you always know when we are posting another video. I'm going to start doing some vlogging also so you can get in with the family. Tune in next week. We will be back again with some spring makeup again. Keep going with our series of segue into transitioning into the summer. Hope to go ahead and talk about next week some best foundations, liquid foundations for spring of 2019. And hope that you will find that information helpful as all the other information that we bring to you. So, ciao. Thank you for tuning in.